Okay, student, welcome back to the Department of College Education. So, business law under section 414 can study the formation of company, under which formation of a company, registration of a company, certificate of incorporation, commencement of the business. So, you can recall the stages of company from the business economics of second semester BBM or business economics of the second PUC or business studies. So, major objective of this unit. What are the objective and purpose of the Companies Act? So, this session is outcome. You can able to analyze the objective and stage of formation of the company and what are the difficulties existing in the formation of company. So, promotion of a company. Promotion is the first stage in the formation of a company. The term promotion refers to the aggregate of activities designed to bring into being an enterprises to operate a business. Who is a promoter in a company? A successful promoter is a creator of wealth and an economic propellant. The person who is concerned with the promotion of a business enterprise is known as the promoter. He conceives the idea of starting a business and takes all the measures required for bringing the enterprises into existence. Types of promoters: professional promoters, occasional promoters, promoters companies, financial promoters, entrepreneurs, lawyers, and engineers. These are the promoters. Registration of a company. It is a registration that brings a company into existence. A company is properly formed only when it is duly registered under the Companies Act. Procedure of registration. First, memorandum of association. It is to be signed by minimum 7% for the public company and by 2 in case of private company. It must be a properly stamped. Articles of Association. This document is signed by all those persons who have signed the Memorandum of Association. List of Director. A list of director with their name, address and occupation is to be prepared and filled with the Register of Companies. Written consent of the directors. A director consent of the director that they have agreed to act as director has to be filled with a register along with the written undertaking to the effect that they will take qualification shares and will pay for them. Notice of the address and register office. It is also customary to fill the notice of the address of the company register office at the time of the incorporation. It is to be given within 30 days after the date of incorporation. Statutory declaration. A statutory declaration by any advocate of the Supreme Court or High Court or any attorney or pleader entitled to appear before the High Court or a practice chartered accountant in India who engage in the company formation. Certificate of incorporation. On the registration of the Memorandum of Association, Article of Association, and other document, the register will give the certificate known as the Certificate of the Incorporation. The issue of the certificate is the evidence of the fact that the company is incorporated, that the register of the Company Act has been complied with. So you can give the models or format of certificate of incorporation. See the format. And commencement of the business stage. After getting the certificate of incorporation, a private company can start its business. A public company can start its business only after getting a certificate of commencement of business. The commencement of business stages. After getting the certificate of the incorporation, a public company issue a prospect of the inviting the public to subscribe its share capital. A minimum subscription is fixed and the company is required to sell a minimum number of shares mentioned in the prospectus. This is the specimen certificate of the commencement of business. C. This is the specimen certificate. So students, you can know the, you want to more about the companies, please log into the internet of the given address, and also you can study the business law, author B.S. Raman, company law and sectoral practice of B.K. Goyal. In this session also given the multiple choice question for you. You can study, you can understand the session. Which of the following is not stage of the development of a company? Given the four answer, select the correct answer. A is neither an agent nor a trustee of a company. Select, given the four answer, select the correct answer. Which of the following is company or companies are registered by the Companies Act 13? Given the four answer, select the correct answer. Which of the following companies incorporated in the country outside India? Given the four answer, select the correct answer. Okay, thank you very much.